Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. I just finished washing all our clothes. My hands is super clean. So time now is 3 o'clock, 3:15. So it's time to take a snack to Lando, but I need to cook first for his food. And I just want to make a quick video here, just a quick video guys, where I cook here. So okay, turn the fire now. Then I need to add oil. Here's the oil. And I want to set here. So I'm going to cook this one guys. Eggplant, adobong eggplant. So my so busy. I just used my hands. Sorry guys, I'm in hurry. Might be Lando's excuse me. What do you call this one? Hungry now. So this is easy to cook. There. And I want to set my camera. Now the garlic onion rather. This is the eggplant guys that I display to my store. Then I bring it back. I bring it here so I can cook it.
Did Lando eat something?
This one, not yet. I told you that I cook.
Oh.
Okay, let's stir up. Oh, so many.
Oh, man.
You already planted on? Really planting a banana and Lando again today. I just don't have a chance to take a video because I was doing laundry today. I have a lot of dirty clothes. So I'm going to add here of course, the salt. Yeah. Nikki! Oh, sadya langga. And pepper. Black pepper. That's it guys. I think so. All spice. Then i-shake muna natin ito or mix up. So the one that I display on my store, I bring here. But the squash, I left it there on the store. Then the onion and garlic, because it won't, I think that one won't spoil. So I'm going to cover this one for 5 minutes maybe. 5 minutes guys. Cover it. I'll be back later. And this one, I don't wanna throw this one to the trash can, because instead of throwing there, I'll save for my garden. This is a good fertilizer too. Okay. Very good. So let's move now, guys, to my eggplant here. Let's take a look. Let's open the cover. Oh wow, good. Very fast. This is adobong talong, guys. Yum yum. Rice agol, pure talong. Philip like this one too. Then I'm going to add seasoning, guys. This is from the ram noodles instead of magic syrup, to add flavor. Every time I make noodles, because we are fan of noodles, me and Philip, I cook two pack every morning. Then I save one. Then I just use one sachet for seasoning. Yeah. Oh, yum yum. Wow. Very delicious. Very delicious. Yum yum mix. See, guys. Almost. Lami. Humot. Kung may sagol. Paksi ang bahaw. Paksi ang bahaw. Luto na. Dili araw eh. Pupunin palaton pag-ayo. Palaton ako pa. Padili naman lamoy. Palaton ako, guys. Nga na yung adobo palaton. Diba? Ay, yung lata. Lamoy. Sinaw eh. Marang humba. Sinaw-sinaw, guys. Marang humba. Okay. Mana. Yum yum. Lando can eat now. Ano pa may bano naluto eh. Naluto na eh. Mas kung pabitog mangipon si Lando. Mas kung pagipon si Lando. Pila ray bae dahil yung singipon. Okay, let's move here, guys, on the table. There you go. That's Lando food. And there's a banana there. He can eat banana too. Finally, I finished cooking now. So, it's time to eat. But I don't wanna eat. Only Lando will eat. And I guess he's coming now. So, thank you guys for watching my video. And please share, like, comments, and subscribe. So, Lando is here now. He's starting eating my food. So, bye guys! Thanks for watching. Please share, like, comments, and subscribe. I'll be back later.